Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to download Java on your laptop or PC. So to start, we'll have to go first on my Google browser and type on the search bar java.com. And then here on the website of Java, you will see an option that says download Java. Just click on that and then you will be redirected to this page and you will see again the option to download Java. Just click on that, and then as you can see on the left bottom part of my screen, the app is now downloading. So let's just wait for a little for the app to be downloaded. And then after downloading the app, you'll have to go to your PC, then click on downloads. And then here you'll now see that the app is downloaded. So what we're going to do is to double click on that, and then after that you will be asked if you want to install the app. Just click on yes and wait for a little. After installing the app, you will be asked again if you want to run the app on your PC. Just click on yes again, and then after doing that, you're now good to go and the Java is now installed on your laptop. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.